Yo, how's it going, YouTube? It's your man, Too Good Gunman, back with another one. What's good with you? Huh? Okay. So I didn't upload with you guys in a minute, man. A lot of stuff been going on. You know how it is. That's life. But I got some content coming, man. I actually got something I'm planning on doing with the car, man. I'm about to throw a body kit on a Accord. If you guys don't know, I got a 2013 Honda Accord. I'm about to show y'all right now. I actually give y'all a little backstory on it. I was actually in two back-to-back accidents over the last month. I was hit on the side of my car, so I have a brand new bumper and fender. So I was hit on my driver's side, and I was rear-ended too. The rear accident wasn't that bad. I just have, I'm about to show you guys right now. It's not much damage. Excuse me, guys. It's kind of cold out here. You see, I should probably threw some pants on and some boots. I'm not sure where you guys live, but I'm in like the Worcester area, and it's brick out here. But yeah, I'm gonna start giving you guys some content. This is the car right here, 2013 Honda Accord. As you guys can see, like I said, I had to put on a new bumper and new fog lights. I should have put up the video for you guys of the fog light installation. I could redo that for you guys. If you guys are interested, I can put up a video on how to deassemble the bumper from the car and how to install fog lights, because I put in these brand new fog lights with LEDs. But I am looking into getting a lip for the car. I'm gonna order in a few weeks. That's gonna come from here all over. It's gonna cover up all the chrome accents. It's gonna be primed black, just like the bumper is now. And you see I got the primed fender too. Now the body kit does have side skirts. I am not gonna put side skirts on the car. I'm just not concerned about side skirts for the area I live. I don't want to have the car as low as possible to the ground. Now I did put rain guards on the car recently too. I can give you guys a review on that too if you guys would be interested on that. I think they look pretty good. I actually got these rain guards from Amazon. I did just get new tires on the car too. I didn't go to Amazon though. I actually got these from eBay. Then you see I do have drilled in rotors I had put in on the car. Now this is the back of it. Alright, so I was rear-ended. Like I said, you guys can kind of see the damage. The damage is right here. Well, this was already here. I was rear-ended. You can see the license plate right there. So that was where I was hit. Now I am getting the back body kit too. So that's gonna, the body kit covers this chrome piece too. So it's gonna come prime black like how I have the front bumper, and it's just gonna come from the side, cover this, and just come up. It doesn't make it wide, so it's not a wide body kit. It's just a body kit. And yeah, that's about it on it. So that's the updates I have coming to the car. You should be expecting that to be uploaded, I would say, in a few weeks. And stay tuned.